Ka-ching! What's up, Money Geeks? Mr. V here. Welcome to another video, guys. So in this video, we are going to review some of the trades that I did today. And then I'm going to show you guys what happened on Thursday last week, Friday, and yesterday. I didn't get a chance to do videos. I've been fighting, I don't know if it's a cold or what, and if you guys can hear it in my voice, sometimes just been battling with something. I've been trying and not being able to really get on top of my work. So I'm just going to try to recap some of the trades that I did today and then show you guys the last Thursday and Friday because I didn't do a video on those. So that's what I want us to talk in today's video. But before we get started, guys, if you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. This is going to be just kind of a quick trade review. As you guys can see, I'm going to switch here so you guys can see. So here's what happened on Thursday. This is my trades on Thursday. I took quite a bit of trades on Thursday. If you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 names on there. My biggest winner there was CCIV, which was awesome. And then followed by APOP. That was my second biggest winner. So kind of like that. And then on Friday, this is what I traded. The biggest winner was Waffle. And then I took a stab at GameStop. And then CSCW made a little bit of profit there. You can see I traded CSCW on Thursday too. 130 there, 120 here. So yeah, that one paid good. And then Monday, this is what happened. I actually went crazy with CSCW and we made some really good money on CSCW and then CCIV as well. So this is today, Wednesday, down here. As you guys can see, I am actually just done trading. So I just want to kind of recap what happened here. So my biggest trade here was RKDA, Arcadia, and then followed by BNGO, GSAT, and NanoX. Took a stab again at GameStop and dropped $12, and then TCAT and dropped $41 there, but that's absolutely fine. I was thinking I was going to get a breakout, but that never worked out good for me. So we're going to talk about RKDA, and then I'll show you guys exactly when I did that trade. So let's jump back on here and pull it up. So this is RKDA. Actually, I didn't trade these regular hours. I traded it pre-market. So if you can see, like, look at this gap right here. This is where I traded it. So yesterday the stock gap right after hours. I think they had their earnings. So the thing gap after hours. So going from $2.30 and actually went to a high of about $3.22. So I looked at it and said, okay, this might be a good one to watch early in the morning because usually what happens is after hours, most people are done trading and some people don't have access to after hours. So they don't see this information and they don't have access to trade this. So what do? They get access to pre-market, and when they see it in pre-market, they get super excited to start trading. So that's usually some of the things I will read into a particular stock. So I wanted to see what was going to happen pre-market on this one. So I got up early. Again, guys, I don't do this every day. Some days when I see a good opportunity, I'll wake up early. And if I don't see anything, I'll just sleep and see what happens and get up at 6 o'clock and just go with the market. So I got up early in this one. I saw it. So right after the market opens, if you can see here, it kind of squeezed up a little bit and then pulled back. I was like, that was a false break. This thing is not going to move. And then I saw volumes that are coming in, and then it squeezed up a little bit here. So this green candle right here, and then pull back again. And then the next 1 minute candle set a new high. So I got in here at about 3.1, $3.01, somewhere around here, and just hanging there. And the thing just squeezed like crazy. And I'm sitting there like, whoa. So it got up here to like 3.5 and then pull back. And honestly, guys, I held myself because my price target for this was $4. I say, hey, if this thing hit $4, I'm going to take my profit and I'm out. I don't care if it breaks 4 and keep going, but at least if it hits that $4 price point, I'm going to secure profit. That was my goal. So I had my sell at exactly $4. And so this thing squeezed and got up here. And I'm like, okay, I'm not going to pull the trigger right here. I'm going to wait and see. And I'm like, my hand was really panicking. But I held my ground. Just again to see it continued to squeeze and got all the way to my price target, which was 4, and kicked me out, which was good because I took my profit and I was happy with it. And then it kind of went up again. I was like, oh man, I probably should have sold half and kept half. But then it got to 4.1 and flush. And then act like it was going to squeeze back up again and just completely flush. And I'm sitting there, it's like, yes. And I actually went back to sleep. So I actually went back and took some sleep. It's like, hey, I've already made some money for the day. Way past my daily goal, even more than triple my daily goal. So I'm good. So I actually went back to sleep and then got up in the morning again and watch it just somewhere around here. So watch somewhere around here. Nothing was happening. So I actually put this on my watch list, thinking this was gonna pop. Then the market opens. Boy, did this flush! And this is where you see opportunity. Like right here, I took advantage. And then right here, when the market opens, I had it in the watch list, but I wasn't super aggressive. So I actually just watch it really pull back, and it's like, okay, I'm not gonna touch this one. I'm just gonna let it do its thing. So initially, I thought this first flush here, I was just going to be people taking profit off of that pre-market, and some people are securing profit. But that wasn't the case. As you can see, a flush and never looked back. Just kept going down and down and down. And see, it's still trading below VWAP. I don't know if after hours or sorry, in the afternoon, if this thing is going to bounce right back up or not. But you can see that it never recovered. So again, it's just one of those ones where if you had the opportunity to short it, you probably made some money. But I personally didn't think this was going to fail the way it did, and it did fail. So, anyways, yeah, but that was a good trade. You can see here, squeeze up, and that was a good opportunity for me. So, yeah, that was this trade, and you can see we made some good money off of that particular trade. And then if you look here, BNGO. So this one, the market opens. I was actually watching this too. Market opens. Right here, it pulled down to 7.75, and I'm thinking like, oh man, this thing is just gonna stay down there and do nothing. Then I saw this first candle here. This green candle came back and then pulled back again. I was like, okay. I call this the barcode. If you can see here, those little lines up and down. I call it, so it's just barcoding. And I'm like, I'm not really going to waste my time. It looks like this thing is not good for anything today. Then right here, this is where it's like got my attention. So this barcode here, or this particular candle here, cross VWAP. Then the next 1 minute candle, see right here, set a new high. If you look at all these ones, the first one here flushes, first 1 minute candle set a new high, and then it pull back down. Then the next candle didn't even set a new high from this one, but this one set a new high but pull back. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna wait. The next candle didn't set a new high, so at that point I'm thinking it's gonna go south. I'm not gonna touch it. But the next candle that came in set a new high. If you can see from here to here, so I got in this one somewhere around here, 7.9, somewhere around 7.9, and I squeezed all the way to 8.09. And I actually got out about 8.08 because the minute it got up here, good thing for me, I have hotkeys, because this one I didn't really have a stop loss in place yesterday when I got in, so I have hotkeys. So it got up here, I'm like, oh, there's some profit here. Let me secure that profit. So I quickly sold. The good thing, I took the profit there, and this thing just flushed and never returned. That is why you should always have your stop loss. I do have stop loss. I do have hotkeys, which is just quick click of a button and I'm done, or just hit off my keyboard and I'm selling everything. So if you don't have your hotkey set up, I would say you really need to do that if you're day trading, because when you get in a particular trade and you don't have your stop loss yet or your trailing stop yet, and you see things act like they want to go against you, always get out of that trade. you will never go broke taking profit, guys. Trust me. I don't care if it's $10, $20, or $30. You would never go broke taking profit. So always try as much as secure profit. And the way I look at it is, if you are 10, 20, 30, 40, $50 richer than you started your day, that is good. You're making progress. If you're a greedy savage, you're gonna think, oh, just $50. I want to make $100. I want to make $200. I want to make 250. You have to take the baby steps, and that is how you continue to make progress and build your account. Like I said, if you take profit, you can never go broke. It doesn't matter if it's $10 profit or $20 profit. So have that mentality. It's gonna come in handy for you. Trust me. So yeah, so let's go back here. And then you can see the other stocks that I traded. Again, like I gave some money on GameStop and TCAT, which is awesome. I mean, I try to cut my losses as soon as possible. I don't want to sit in the trade and thinking it's going to go my way, because just hoping, it's not really a strategy. I want you to be able to cut your losses when you see it fit. So again, so I talked about the watch list. Let me see if I can bring out Discord here. So the watch list, usually if you follow us on Discord, and I have through a Patreon, you can join us through Patreon, and then you get access to all of this. So this is a watch list that I posted, if you can see here. So this is some of the stocks that I traded, and so this is a watch list from yesterday. This is one from today. As you can see, we have here RKDA. That's the one we traded, and then you see YVR. So let me show you what happened to YVR, so you guys can actually see here. So YVR is another one that we have on that watch list. You can see market opens right here. Pre-market is squeezed from 3.2 to a high of about 4.7. So I had my eyes on this one, and as soon as the market opened, see that dropped to 3.8 right here, and then squeezed all the way to 5.19. I didn't really take a trade on this, just because I already had my goal for the day, so I wasn't trying to be greedy, but this would have been a great trade for you to get in. So see, market opens, it pulls down. Next 1 minute candle right here set a new high. So if it's me, I'm actually opening a position right here on this new high, and then ride it all the way to, you can pick your spot where you want to get up. And I usually sometimes my spot to get out would be just a mental stop. So, and again, like I said, I have hotkeys. So if this thing squeeze up all the way here, and I'm looking like, okay, I am $200 in the money or $100 in the money, and I'm taking profit. I'm out looking for another opportunity. So and you see, and if you took profit up here, look at how that thing flush. And that's why you should always secure profit. So again, this is another one off of the watch list that we have. So there you go, guys. Those are the trades. Again, today was a good day. RKDA came out big for us. BNGO and GSAT and NanoX gave some back from GME and TCAT. So let me know in the comment section what you guys think. What did you trade? Which stocks are you watching? And again, like I said, if you want to kind of join or get that watch list right now, we're moving everything from our Facebook group, from Telegram, moving slowly into Discord, and then we're setting up so that we can start doing some live streaming for our premium members if you want to be part of it. So that's what we're working on. So again, links of that would be in the description, where you can join our Patreon and then get access to everything. Again, let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you're new to the channel, we talk about how to earn money, how to save money, how to invest and build wealth. So if that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. Also, if you're looking to get started with investing, Webull has the promotion where if you sign up and deposit $100, you get free stocks. Links in the description. And as always, guys, do your due diligence. Don't be a greedy savage, and stay motivated.